lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm Premium and my Boxycharm Boxyluxe box. They both came in around the same time, so I thought I would just go ahead and do an unboxing of both of them in one video. So I'm just going to show you guys each and every product that I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. But to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I think I'm going to start with my Boxy Premium box first. So Boxycharm Premium is the $35 a month box. And you're supposed to get 5 to 6 full-size products. So the theme is BTS. So there's the theme. It's a pretty cute card. So I'm going to start off first with the products that I customized. So the first product that I was able to customize, I picked this Fenty by Rihanna Snap Shadows. This is in the shade 7 Cadit. So I was pretty excited to see this option in there. I haven't tried a whole lot from Fenty, but this palette looked really cute. So it's just this really small palette. This retails for $25, and I'll show you the one I was able to get. It's kind of like greens, browns, kind of reminds me of like fall colors. It looks like a cute little mini palette. I'm gonna swatch just a couple of shades. Now, normally I would do like a try-on thing before I film to like test out the products, but because I'm doing 2 boxes, I just decided not to do that this time. Because I didn't want this video to be really long. But there they are. They didn't swatch too bad. I mean, I try not to judge too hard just on swatches alone. I'm excited to try this product out. So there's the first one that I customized. Then the second product I customized is from Laura Mercier, and this is the Soothing Eye Makeup Remover. And this one retails for $27. So it's in this nice little plasticky bottle. I was kind of hoping it'd be glass, but it's not. It's plastic. So it's a nice blue makeup remover. Excited to try this out. Alright. So those are the 2 products I customized. So the rest is what they chose for me. So first up is from Herbivore, and this is the Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. And this retails for $48. So, I'm not like a huge fan of masks. I'll use them, but I never usually buy them. So, it sounds pretty interesting though. I was kind of reading on the back. It's supposed to be like a natural mask that gently deep cleans pores with a bunch of ingredients and good stuff. Moisturizing. So, it sounds interesting. I'll definitely try it. I like things that like are supposed to be like deep pore cleansers, because I have pretty large pores and sometimes they get clogged easily. So I'm curious about the product. I'll definitely try it out. And then next up is something from Beauty Bakery, and this is the Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. I was hoping to get this. The packaging is really cute. I've tried a couple of palettes from Beauty Bakery, and they were okay. Nothing wrong with them, but I'm pretty curious about this highlighter palette. So it does look pretty nice. So I will go ahead and swatch these. It looks like I could use about maybe 2 of the shades. I don't know, they look kind of, well, maybe they're not too dark. I was afraid it was kind of more on the darker side. Yeah, that last one there I probably wouldn't be able to use, but I could at least use 2. They swatch pretty decently. I mean, they feel pretty pigmented, so I'm excited to try this out. And this retails for $38, which that's kind of pricey for a highlighter palette. And then next thing is from Complex Culture, and this is one of their Sonic T Bar facial massager. Yeah, massager. So I'm kind of curious about this. I like facial stuff. So it doesn't come with batteries, so I can't try it out right now because I don't have any batteries with me right now. But I'm pretty curious to try this out. It does it feels nice, like quality. So this retails for, let's see, $58. Well, it's a pricey little dude. So I'm excited to try this out. I like Complex Culture. I've bought several products from them, like makeup wise. And so far I've enjoyed everything I've gotten from them. So I'm curious about that. And then last but not least is from Verb, and it is a ghost oil. It's a hair oil, and this retails for $18. So I do like that this is in like a bottle with a pump on it kind of thing. That's going to be nice, easy way to applicate to your hair. But I am curious. I like hair products, so I'll give this a go for sure. Alright, so that's everything in the box, and I'm just going to tally up the total of everything to give you guys an overall value of the box. Alright, so the overall value for my box was $214, which is not bad considering I only paid $35 for the box. So let me just do a run through real quick. I'm actually pretty pleased with everything that I've received in the box. I guess in some ways it was kind of skincare heavy, I guess because I only got 2 makeup products. But I'm not really mad about the products that I got skincare wise. I mean, well actually there's only one skincare product unless you consider this tool a skincare. Because this is the only skincare product. I guess it was kind of more on the non-makeup side this time, but I'm really not mad about the products I got. I do like makeup removers, and this is a choice item. This is the product that I chose, so I'm not mad about that. I don't mind getting hair products as long as it's not heavily on the hair products. This mask actually sounds kind of intriguing, and I kind of like the sound of the ingredients and things that are in here, so I'm curious about this, and I did want this. When I saw this was an option in the box, I was really hoping that I got this, and I did, so I'm really curious to try this out. So I'm pretty happy with this box. Surprisingly, yeah, I'm pretty happy, and I'm really excited about these 2 makeup products. I really wanted this, and I'm excited to try this out. So I'm pretty happy with this box. I think it was well worth it this month. So now I'm going to unbox the Boxyluxe box. Alright, so first up, I'm noticing the card is a lot different. Normally they do like the same themes, but the Boxyluxe box is Fall Luxe, and then this was the Premium, so they're different, which is interesting. I really like the look of this card. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season, so definitely loving those vibes. Alright, so let me start out with the products again that I customize. So first up is an item that I'm pretty excited to try out and was really excited to see as an option. Is the Rare Beauty Magnetic Spirit Eyeshadow Palette. That's what I chose, and this retails for $25. So it comes in this really nice shiny box. But I've been wanting to try out Rare Beauty, and I just haven't picked up anything from the brand yet. So like I said, I was really thrilled to see this as an option. So here's the palette. So this is called Magnetic Spirit. The only thing that I'm not thrilled about is this is an all shimmer palette, but I think that it'll be okay. I have some all matte palettes, so maybe I'll just use those 2 together, pull out one of those palettes. But these is really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple of shades. But anyways, I've been really curious to try out their formula. Because I don't know if you know this or not, but this is Selena Gomez's brand, I believe, her makeup brand. Swatches aren't too shabby. That one right there didn't swatch very well, and that was this shade over here, but it might be one of those chrome shades where it shifts a lot. Anyways, not too shabby, so I'm excited to try that. Alright, and the next product that I customize is from Iconic London, and this is the Triple Threat Mascara. It's in the shade black, so here's the box. Nobody cares about the box. It's a very nice, shiny packaging. Let me look at the wand. Ooh, it's a very thin thin wand, like not very big bristles at all. I don't really know how I feel about that. I'll definitely use it, try it out. But I prefer like wands with more bristles on them so I can really like get under my eyelashes. So this retails for $26. Alright, and the next up is from Saturday Skin, and it's the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whip Cream. I'm guessing it's a moisturizer. And this retails for $57. So Saturday Skin, I've gotten quite a few products from them in Boxycharm boxes especially. And I do like their brand. I haven't found anything that I like really love, but I do like trying out their products. I'm assuming this is a moisturizer. But I'm curious to try this out. I'll definitely use it. So that's $57 for this. Then next up is from Cab Cosmetics, and it's a contour palette. And it retails for $60. Wow. I mean, this is a pretty big contour palette, but $60. Dang. It's a bit pricey. But I mean, this palette is huge. It's huge. I'm not like a huge fan of contour palettes. I don't really contour. I'm more of a bronzer and set my face type of gal, but I'll use it. I'll try it out. I'm curious to try out the formula, so I'll definitely try this one out. But dang, still, $60 is really expensive for that. Next up is from Altrier. It's the Best Buds Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. Dang, this retails for $66. I mean, these bottles aren't huge. They're not small, but they're not very big either. So this shampoo and conditioner has CBD in it. CBD is really popular now. It seems like everybody, like skincare and hair cover wise, is putting that in there now. I'm curious to try this out. I mean, I'm not mad about getting it, but dang, I would never go out and repurchase this because $66 for shampoo and conditioner is outrageous. Alright, and then we have something from the NUECO, the new co. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And it is a defense drop. Defense drops. What is that? It's immune boosting liquid. Oh, I think I've seen some people. It's an herbal supplement, which I'm not really thrilled about getting in my beauty box. I mean, beauty box should be about makeup and stuff, not about supplements. So I don't really like this product. This retails for $35. Yeah, it says take 1 dropper full every day. I don't know. I'll have to do some research on this because I don't really know what the ingredients are and things, and yeah, I'll have to research this because I'm not like one of those people that looks at everything before I put it in my body, but I am kind of more cautious about digesting things, especially if I don't know what it is. So I'll definitely look into this. It's interesting product, but like I said, I don't really want to get things like this in my beauty box because I feel like beauty should be about skincare and makeup, not necessarily about, I don't know. It would be one thing if I was subscribed to like a health box or something like that, you know? Anyways, $35 for this. Alright, and then from the Lifestyle, so from Lifestyle Co. is a bamboo body polish, and this retails for $49. I'm sorry, but that's not worth it. I mean, that's very little. Packaging isn't anything impressive. So $49, it better be an amazing body polish. And then last but not least is from Grace and Stella. I've gotten things from this brand before in my boxes, and it is a sleep mask. I think they do kind of more like beauty tools or something. I can't remember exactly what I've gotten previously from this brand, but I know it was, I want to say it was a beauty tool, but anyways. So it's a nice little face mask that has like the gel. So I'm assuming, I think it's, you can stick it in the microwave or stick it in the freezer. I kind of like the sound of this because I get headaches and things sometimes, so I'm kind of tempted. I think the next time I get a headache or something, I'm going to pop this in the freezer and kind of get it nice and cool and then put it, because sometimes like my eyes kind of, I don't know, I can feel the headache kind of like behind my eyes. I don't know if that's a migraine. I've never really, it's not quite a migraine, but you know what I mean. It'll be nice to like help with depuffing and just kind of like relaxing that area. So I'd be more likely to use this cold, but you can, I think it says you could put it like, yeah, you can put it in the microwave. It's microwave safe and to be heated, or you can put it in the refrigerator to be cool. So I wonder if you can only put it in the refrigerator and not the freezer. I don't know. I'll have to look into it. But I don't know. It sounds kind of interesting. And this retails for $18, so that's not too shabby. But I'll definitely give that a shot. So that's it. That's all the products in the box. Let me tally up the price, and then I'll go through one more time through the products I got and tell you guys my opinion on the box. Alright, so the overall value for my box was $336, which is not too bad because Boxyluxe is $50. So I'm definitely getting my money's worth. So I'm pretty excited about getting the palette. Definitely excited to see Rare Beauty in a Boxycharm box. Mascara is always nice to get. Not super thrilled about the mascara, but I mean I'll try it. The palette, this contour palette's not too bad. Like I said, I'm not big of a contour person, but I mean, I'll try it out and see how I like it, so I'm not mad about that. The products that I'm probably the least excited about is this bamboo polish and then this herbal supplement. I don't like getting products like this. I don't know. I don't like it. So I'm least excited about this. Like I said, I like getting hair stuff, so I'm excited to try this out. I don't mind getting a little bit of skincare. And then this product kind of sounds useful to me, so I'm definitely going to give it a shot. So probably the only things I didn't like in the box were, like I said, these two products right here. I do feel like it was a little bit heavy on, like, skincare products, I guess. We only got 3 makeup products out of the 8, I think. We got only 3 makeup products out of the 8 items. So I wish instead of this herbal supplement we had gotten like a lipstick or something. But overall, I still feel like I got my money's worth for sure. So yeah, I'm still pretty happy with what I got. So overall, I'm pretty happy with both of my boxes this time. I definitely got a lot of products that I'm excited to try out. Yeah, I got some products I'm not really thrilled with, but majority of the stuff I like. So I'm pretty happy this time around. But yeah, that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel. And also let me know down below what you guys thought of my boxes this time. Did you guys get Boxycharm Premium or Boxyluxe? Did you guys like your boxes? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!